Dallas. Big old mall. It's amazing.
You lost this, okay? 7, 4, 3. Then how you can...
Look at that!
I know. Oh, see the alligator? You see the alligator over here? Oh. You know, those things, how come it's got coins all over them?
And it's a wishing well again.
Oh, is it wishing croc?
Yes, can we rent?
You know, those things are really strong when they're biting down, but they have no muscles to open their mouths at all. They have to swim forward to make their mouths open at all. So what happens is that you can actually grab the end of their mouth and hold it closed because they got no muscles at all to open it. All they got is muscles to close it.
Can I try to put it on?
No, we already did. We already did that one in the last one.
Can I do this one?
Please gives you nothing, sir, when I've said no already. Please doesn't do it either. Nope, that doesn't do it. All right. Goodness.
Mine went in the water.
Oh well. How much money do you think is in there, huh? How many wishes do you suppose that is? What a great idea.
What are you trying to do?